Hey guys, today I'm going to quickly show you one of my favorite health drinks you can make from home. This is a great substitute for fruit juices from the grocery store, soft drinks, etc. This is going to give you a lot of great nutrients. There's some good ingredients here that are going to help with stomach issues, breathing. It's going to help clear your skin up. It's just good for inflammation and just gives you a lot of good energy as well. And it's really simple. So the first thing we're going to add to this is actually just a cup of filtered water, is some lemon juice. This is organic, pretty much squeezed lemon juice, not from concentrate. And what I do is I just use the cover itself, cap itself as a measuring tool, and I do 2 capfuls of that. The next thing we'll be using is some unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother is kind of that sediment that collects at the bottom. That's where all the nutrients are. This is the White House brand. I like this one sometimes because it has a little bit of honey in it. It takes away a little bit of the bite. So with this, we're also going to add 2 capfuls. I'm almost at the end of this bottle. We might as well just put the rest in. So again, that's 2 capfuls of lemon juice, 2 capfuls of cider vinegar. Now, if I'm in a hurry, this is it. I pretty much just stir this and I go. But if I do want to make a little bit more of a tasty, more nutrient-rich drink out of this, I add these additional ingredients. This is Jamaican ginger from extract. I picked this up right off of Amazon, but if you go to health food stores, you can buy it right off the shelf. And with this, I usually just put 1 capful. Ginger is a little stronger, but ginger is a fantastic nutrient. A lot of vitamins. It has a lot of good things to help you build up your immune system. Okay guys, and the last ingredient is going to be some honey. This is raw, unfiltered honey. I usually try to pick up some type of a local fresh honey because we do have some good suppliers from this area. And with the honey, you just need just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon or a little less. Okay, so just give this a quick stir. And if you do use the honey, stir it a little bit more because the honey can get a little bit thicker. And actually this tastes like some of the flavored kombucha drinks that you can buy from the health food stores. Okay, so again, the key ingredients are going to be the lemon juice and the cider vinegar. I take this no matter what, twice a day. If I'm in a hurry, it's just these 2 and water. If I want to do a little bit of a nicer drink, I add the ginger and the honey. But I mean, just this little supply of ingredients will really give you enough to make a lot of drinks, and you're not drinking all that sugar and corn syrup from some of the store-bought products out there. So I hope you guys like this recipe. It's pretty simple and easy, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So give it a try, and you may even try some of your own variations of it. Use the lemon juice and the vinegar as a base. You might try adding mint, orange, lime. There's a lot of things you can do to just kind of spice it up. But hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and we'll catch you on another episode. Thanks.